it's Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. So I wanted to address a question that I get quite often, and that is, how long do you let your wood stain sit and cure before you actually put a stencil on it or paint it? First, I would suggest checking with your wood stain. There are oil-based wood stains and there are water-based wood stains. Oil-based wood stains are going to take much longer to cure versus a water-based. My favorite wood stain is Minwax in the color Jacobine. If you see a lot of my videos, you will see me using that color in my projects because it's just one of my favorites that I end up using over and over and over again. So that is actually an oil-based wood stain. Me personally, I like to let my wood stain cure for a whole day and overnight before I actually add any design to the top. So here's a wood sign just for reference. So before I actually added the white and the black paint to the top, I would let this wood stain cure overnight, and then the next day I would add the design. And to be honest, if I used a water-based oil stain, I probably would still go ahead and let it sit overnight and do the design the next day, just like I would the oil-based, just to be on the safe side, because I want to make sure that my stencil will adhere nicely against the wood, because if your wood stain is not cured all the way, then of course you're not going to get a nice application of your stencil onto your wood, and you can get paint bleeds much easier that way. So I hope that answers some of your questions about how long should you let your wood stain cure before you actually put your design on your wood signs. If you guys have any other questions for me, leave them in the comments below. Maybe I'll feature you on an upcoming Quick Tip Tuesday. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I can continue bringing you this series of quick tips every Tuesday. Also hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't forget to hit that bell next to the subscribe button so that you are notified when my videos do go live. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.